Hi everyone, it's Ian Fisoke here, Product Manager at Myra Distribution, and today I'll be unboxing Cambium's cnPilot R190V. Okay, so what's in the box from a hardware point of view? Over here you've got your router, you've got your power supply, Ethernet cable, and then of course you've got two analog phone lines as well. Alright, so let's first of all look at the router. At the back here you'll see you've got your WAN port, 3 LAN ports, and then of course something that stands out is the FXX ports that allows for ATA features and functionalities, and over there you'll have your DC 12 volt 1 amp power supply. In the front here you've got your LED light display, your phone ports, LAN ports, WAN, and then if your Wi-Fi and your power. There's also a reset button at the back. As you will see, it's a pretty slick design, weights and dimensions pretty small, very aesthetically pleasing, very easy on the eye. Alright, so from a hardware point of view, that's it. And I think one of the main reasons why we're looking at this is to discuss some of the features and the functionalities. Okay, so I think the main approach with regards to the R190V, it's perfect for ISPs with regards to cloud management, a small home router, very cost conscious, and you also have the ATA features and functionality with regards to VoIP deployments. Alright, so from a technical point of view, the cnPilot R190V is spec'd at ADA 211N. It's a single band device, 2.4, and it's based on 300 megabits per second. You'll see it's got 2x2, there's two omnidirectional antennas rated at 5 dBi, and this little guy is rated at 23 dBm output, so TX is quite good, so you'll get decent coverage on this router. There's also 4 SSIDs, and this router also allows you to use TR069 and SNMP management as well. The router is IPv6 ready, and of course it supports the VoIP FXX ports with SIP, and then your T.38 fax line as well. Alright guys, please follow the link below for more information with regards to data sheets and specs, and also with regards to some contact details to get some more pricing on this unit.